Checking on my sick ferret before I head to the farm. I was doing paperwork this morning, but gotta go take care of animals now. Just pulling into the farm now. Talon's riding co-pilot, and we're gonna go check on the poor Dewar calf, see how he's doing, see if he's pooped, and if I can grab it so we can send it off to the lab and get it checked for parasites. I'm being followed by donkeys on my way out to the calf. They're like, don't leave me. We want to follow you. He got scared of calf. Who's not gonna let me touch him, but we're gonna look for his poop and see if there's any fresh enough that I can take to be tested. He does not have any poop fresh enough for me to use. So I'm gonna give him some hay. We'll see. I'll hang out here for a little bit, mess with the donkeys, and see if we can catch him pooping. And I'll get a soft, mushy one. Oh, you fogged up my camera. Willow, how about you? Whoa. We're all just so curious. Just so curious about the camera. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Come here, move. Move your butt. Ugh. Ugh. This one wants her butt itched. Alright, he might have pooped. I think that's a fresh pile right there. We're gonna go see. I'm gonna put my gloves on and we're gonna see. Here we go. Is it fresh? It's pretty fresh, yep. So I'm gonna put some of this in my glove. I'm gonna drop my phone and shit. And then wrap it up just like this. I'll put it in the fridge. Take it and have it shipped to the lab. The donkeys really want to know what I have here. They're very curious about it. You got hay in your nose. Let me get it. I'm out here walking Miss Coconut, keeping her manners in check. They walk so slow. Coconut meets a yak. Come on, Coconut. So walking Coconut and making sure she doesn't walk too fast and put too much pressure on the line without me. And if she does, then I'll circle her back like that. She really wants to go back to the barn, but we don't want her to learn that she can rush back to the barn. So that's why you do the circles. See, nice loose line now. Not walking too fast. I'm headed out now to check on the calves since I vaccinated them yesterday. Just want to make sure that they're all doing okay. Nobody's super sore or anything. Here is everybody. Dolly's like, where's my snacks? Give me my snacks. I don't have anything. Not today. It's like, don't touch me. I only want food. It's your only use in my life. Yeah, I got nothing. I got the nothing. Ugh, don't do that. Go away. Don't toss your horns at me. Hi, babies. How is everyone? Mom got crazy hair. Look at her crazy hair. He's so pretty. I love him. A little baby next to her mama. Pudding pie. The whiteies. Oh, whitey's right there. Hey, babies. Are we still mad? Are you still mad I poked you? What if I gave you a treat? Would you still be mad at me? She's like legit pissed at me. She's like, you poked me and I resent you for that. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get her to come over for a cookie. Hey, I got the cookies. It's yummy. Well, I guess that's pretty good. I like snacks. Oh, good girl. Am I forgiven? This one's still mad. She's like, no. I want nothing from you. Jitterbug's like, I don't care. You can poke me as much as you want. I want all of the snacks. After I was done at the farm, I came into my office to work on animal facts posters. And fun fact about me, I used to be a graphic designer before I worked at the farm. Pretty sure I have a dirt mustache. Anyways, oh well. I kind of got out of graphic design before AI really like took over my job. And it's very interesting looking back now. Like, my job literally doesn't exist. And there are a lot of graphic designers who are mad about it, and I probably would be too, but at the same time, I understand technology moves forward, and I just got asked to make these posters, and I am using AI to make them, but I'm looking at AI as a tool that graphic designers are going to have to embrace and use in the future, and if we don't, then we are going to become obsolete. And that's not really a career path I want to follow anymore, just because I think it is too unsteady. But I definitely want to keep up on my skills, and it is something I still use on a pretty regular basis. So it's not my main career, but I still use those skills all the time. Anyways, I'm probably about to head home. So if you want to see more about my life and the stuff that I get up to, give me a follow, I guess.